Alright, let's cut straight to it. If you're preparing for the PTE writing section after the August 2025 changes, you need to hear this. I've seen so many students lose easy points because they're stuck on old strategies. Or worse, they're using templates the wrong way. I took the updated test myself, scored a 90 in writing, and I'm going to break down exactly what you need to do to get your dream score. First, understand this. There are only 4 question types that actually give you writing points. Summarize spoken text, write essay. Summarize written text. Forget about just memorizing templates. Those days are over. Let's start with summarize spoken text. Yes, templates help, but don't let the template dominate your answer. Out of 65 words, make sure the majority comes from the lecture itself, not just filler phrases. Use meaningful keywords and short phrases, not just single words. For example, instead of furthermore, he mentioned economy, education, technology, right? Furthermore, the speaker discussed the impact of technological advancements on education and the economy. Keep it real, keep it relevant, and always check your grammar and spelling. Now, onto the essay. This is where most people stress out. Spend the first minute brainstorming. Don't rush into writing. Your introduction must address the topic directly. No vague statements, no generic lines. The body should be about 70% your own ideas, only 30% template structure. Even if your English isn't perfect, if you're relevant and error-free, you'll score well. Aim for 230 to 270 words, but always prioritize quality over quantity. Save the last 2 minutes to proofread. Trust me, this habit alone can save you from silly mistakes. Finally, summarize written text. This one's a game changer for both writing and reading scores. Pick 3 to 4 key sentences from the passage. Link them together with connecting words like furthermore, moreover, but, this is crucial, change at least 2 to 4 words to synonyms. For example, swap captain with leader. If you just copy-paste, you'll get writing points but miss out on reading. Small tweaks can make a huge difference. If you follow these 3 strategies, less template, more content, always stay relevant, you're honestly halfway there. I've seen so many students hit their target scores just by making these changes. So don't just watch. Apply these tips and let me know your target score in the comments. Like, share, subscribe if you found this helpful. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.